Hey, it's Arlen Schweiger with CE Pro, and we're joined by Ara Matosian of DTS to talk about a very cool home theater innovation today called IMAX Enhanced. Ara, thanks for joining CE Pro.
Thank you for having me, Arlen.
So, Ara, I think just for starters, I would say it's pretty safe to say that most people have heard of IMAX and have, probably been out for IMAX movie at some point in their lives. But they might not know what IMAX Enhanced is, including maybe some of our integrator audience as well. So, what is IMAX Enhanced, and why did DTS and IMAX launch this?
Sure. So IMAX Enhanced is an ecosystem. It combines certified premium devices from the world's leading manufacturers with content that has been meticulously mastered to deliver one of the most immersive home entertainment experiences possible. And available from a growing list of global streaming partners, IMAX Enhanced content will become increasingly accessible to consumers. And our goal with the program is to bring consumers closer to the cinema experience at home with the IMAX Enhanced program. And there are two challenges the program addresses. The first is device differentiation, and the second is optimized viewing. For the first one, we're really looking to help consumers seamlessly identify the best-in-class consumer electronics products. And for the second one, optimized viewing, we're creating a premium streaming experience that remains faithful to the filmmaker's creative intent. We believe that the IMAX Enhanced program solves both of these challenges for end consumers.
So, Ara, what are some of the main benefits of the program, and do viewers what kind of home theaters and media rooms are we talking about here? Are we talking about projection systems? Are we talking about
Sure.
multi-purpose media rooms, displays, sound bars? What's the kind of the combination there that can be achieved if an integrator wants to build some IMAX enhanced theater rooms?
Absolutely. So simply put, IMAX Enhanced brings movie lovers closer to the action at home. This is bringing consumers the best possible movie watching experience outside of the cinemas. IMAX Enhanced titles feature an immersive audio track by DTS that preserves the dynamics of the original IMAX audio mix, and the 4K HDR imagery is digitally mastered frame by frame using IMAX DMR. This is a proprietary technology that they have developed that ensures optimal color, contrast, and clarity. Now, select titles feature the IMAX expanded aspect ratio as well, giving you a larger picture for a more cinema-like experience.
I suppose, just looking at the website, it looks like the IMAX Enhanced program has worked with manufacturer partners so that you can have a nice large display and soundbar and some enhancements and put together a really nice system.
Absolutely. So we understand, look, consumers have a limited amount of space. And we can definitely deliver, again, that best-in-class experience on their devices, whatever combination of devices that they may have. Whether you just have the TV, or you have a TV and a soundbar, or you got the TV AVR experience. We even have some projectors that are certified for IMAX Enhanced as well. So if you're really looking to outfit a full home theater, you can go all out with that.
Yeah, it sounds like it would be great for integrators who are looking to pitch some secondary rooms, some smaller media rooms with still a really immersive experience. So in terms of IMAX Enhanced as a differentiator selling point of value for integrators who install these types of systems, what are some of the things that set it apart so that when they're talking to a customer, they can say, by the way, here's what you get with IMAX Enhanced because I'm able to install a system like that.
Sure. So, I mean, the real value is that you're part of this IMAX Enhanced ecosystem. So you get that premium quality IMAX Enhanced content. You get these certified devices that work together seamlessly to present, again, that faithful IMAX cinema experience at the home. And this is achieved by embedding metadata into the content that automatically instructs the system components to optimize settings unique to IMAX Enhanced content. So this overall simplifies the experience for not only installers, but also for end users. They can easily recognize when they hit that premium tier of product and they know that they're going to get a premium experience.
Gotcha. So Ara, what does it take for devices to be considered IMAX Enhanced? Is it a certification process? What can you share about any details and what types of products are able to be part of this ecosystem?
Sure. So devices that participate in the program undergo a stringent testing. Only those that meet the high standards are going to qualify and to participate in the IMAX Enhanced program. Our device certification ensures that only the best of the best carry the IMAX Enhanced logo. Televisions, for example, they'll undergo over 950 individual picture quality tests during certification, which is a lot. The result is a collection of devices that are guaranteed, again, to faithfully reproduce that IMAX Enhanced content as the filmmakers intended.
And in terms of some of those manufacturer partners that are on board with the program, with the displays, loudspeakers, electronics, processing, things like that. Can you tell us about some of the companies that we're talking about here? I'm sure a lot of them are probably some familiar names to integrators and consumers alike.
Absolutely. So IMAX and DTS, we've announced a number of global technology and entertainment partners over the years here since the program's inception. This includes Sony Electronics, Sony Pictures Entertainment, Paramount Pictures, and over a dozen leading consumer electronics brands, spanning multiple product categories, including Hisense, Sony, Denon, Marantz, Polk, Philips, TCL. I mean, these are all the big names that you know and love. Looking forward, we'll continue to add leading device manufacturers, studios, and streaming entertainment companies in 2021 and beyond. You can find more information at our website, www.imaxenhanced.com.
So it sounds like integrators should certainly feel pretty comfortable in terms of who they're going to be installing here for products. That a lot of them that probably they might already be dealers of, which is great to hear about. Lastly, in terms of the home theater equation, because we know that the category is just booming right now for integrators, and consumers have this thirst for home entertainment. Let's talk about that content. What makes content IMAX enhanced, and where can consumers find it?
Sure. So IMAX Enhanced studio partners have announced IMAX Enhanced versions of movies that exclusively feature that IMAX signature picture, sound, and scale. And it really boils down to those three pillars when you think about what makes content IMAX Enhanced. So first is the picture. So stunning, ultra vivid 4K HDR picture that utilizes the newest proprietary digital media remastering technology. This is that DMR technology I spoke about earlier that was developed by IMAX. DMR accurately reduces noise and grain under the filmmaker's guidance. And this is to best optimize the content for a much higher quality, higher brightness 4K HDR display format. Without this technology, high dynamic range content can actually look worse than what was originally seen and intended by the filmmaker. In terms of sound, our second pillar, IMAX and DTS have of course partnered with award-winning Hollywood sound mixers that are leveraging the DTS-X codec technology, which is integrated into home audio equipment and in order to deliver an IMAX signature sound experience with deeper bass and exceptional dynamic range. In terms of the third pillar that we spoke of is scale. And this is where select IMAX titles that were shot with IMAX certified cameras or specifically formatted for IMAX theaters feature its exclusive expanded aspect ratio. So this enables viewers to see that full scale and scope of the picture on their 4K HDR TVs.
And these will be both available as disc format, Ultra HD Blu-ray, and streaming, or right now is it just Ultra HD Blu-ray?
It is on both. You will find it on the Blu-ray discs, as well as we have a number of streaming partners that are on board. As I mentioned, Sony Pictures, et cetera.
All right. Well, it sounds like integrators will be able to probably see some fantastic looking demos of IMAX Enhanced setups and content at CEDIA Expo this year, I would imagine. And hopefully we'll have some of those types of theaters and media rooms coming into us at CE Pro for some great case studies. So, Ara, really thank you very much for explaining IMAX Enhanced with us today.
Thank you so much, Arlen. Thanks for having me.